It's ready. Now, time to go prank Tails.
Alright, let's see what there is to eat today. Not that. Definitely not that.
Hey Tails, how you doing, buddy?
Hey Sonic, what's up?
Nothing much. It's just, it's just like a normal day today, Such a nice day, like, beautiful spring day.
Yeah, what it is, I guess. What are you doing?
I'm just chilling, how about I leave you alone? How about you get back to your day? I'm gonna go chill.
Okay then, see ya.
See ya, man, see ya. Man, it is a nice day out today. Maybe I should go out and dig something or something. I don't know. Oh, I think that was the fridge. Someone's trying to eat my food. No, I gotta go see this.
There's nothing to eat.
Oh, hey, I've been waiting to do this my whole life. Oh, yeah. Get ready, Tails. Oh, I'm not done with you yet, man.
What's with all the noise?
Yeah, we're trying to sleep.
What?
Oh, hey guys, how's it going?
So, why is Tails, like, dead?
Oh, that guy? Oh, well, if you take a close look at the back of his head, he has a sign on it that says, "Hit me." Oh, so he wants to be here. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Well then, you guys trying to help me out?
Oh, I'd love to.
Yeah, I mean, let's do it. Let's kill this man.
Yeah!
We probably shouldn't actually kill him, but, He deserved that. I don't even know why. I just feel like he deserved that.
That felt good. Now I feel like I can actually take a nap.
Honestly, bro, I agree. Like, I'm gonna go to sleep right now, just because I feel like it.
Well, St. Nicholas, you deal with the rest of what's going on here, and I'm gonna go take myself a nap.
Oh, don't worry. I got it all covered. Sorry, man. I hope you get to feeling better. Whoa! Now what happened here? Hold on. Look, Tails, look! April Fools! I got you, man! I got you! Come on, man, come on, get up, get up. Okay, April Fools, yeah, I'm gonna go prank someone else. Shadow's asleep. It's the perfect time for my perfect prank. The giant fake Minecraft spider, and then when he wakes up, he's gonna get scared. Oh man. Okay, let's do this.
Shoo. Shoo.
Yep.
Shoo.
Now I'll just go play an alarm.
Shoo.
Alright. Now I just play this alarm, and Shadow's gonna wake up.
That must be my alarm. I guess my nap's over. Well then, I guess I should... You right! Oh my God!
Is it over? I think I just killed him. Well, first of all, April Fool's, Shadow! Hey, talk to me, man. Okay, yeah, you're out. Yeah, April Fools. You can keep him. Alright, next prank. Alright, time to prank Vector. Ew, he sleeps with his eyes open, that's weird. Okay, I gotta pour some soap into his hand, tickle his face with a feather, then he's gonna try to itch it, and then he'll feel the burn. Alright, let's go. Whoops, got a little on the bed. He won't mind. I got my feather now. It's time. Oh, my eyes, bro. Why are they so itchy? Better. Get off! It burns! That's so funny. April Fool's back there. What'd you say, Sonic? My eyes are burning! Oh man, I can't wait to eat my rations for the day. This singular Oreo. It's gonna be so good! Knuckles! Our refrigerator's running! You have to go catch it! No, no, no! I knew this day was coming. Oh, hold on, I'll be back! There we go. Now that he's distracted, I can tamper with the Oreo. Just gotta take the top off. There we go. And now the secret ingredient. Here we go. Time to make this a double stuffed Oreo. Oh man. Oh, that's vile. Oh man. They gotta lock me up. There we go. Now I just gotta put the top back on. There we go. Looks like I never messed with it. Well. Okay. Sonic! I caught our refrigerator. He almost made it out the door, but I talked him out of it. What? How? Oh, you know what? Never mind. I'm just gonna go over there or something. Just enjoy your Oreo. Well, thanks, Sonic. Oh man, look at that. It looks better than usual. I mean, practically double stuffed. Well, no harm in taking a bite now. What was in that Oreo? What is that? Oh, that was so nasty. A perfect prank to end off the day. Now, after another successful April Fool's Day, I can chill on the couch.
Sonic, why would you do that to me? I don't think that's a good enough reason. You know what I think? You know what I think? No, get back here. I think you deserve some punishment. Hey guys, get in here.
What?
Yo, what is it, Tails?
Yeah, what are we up to?
I caught the perpetrator behind all the pranks today. Right here. Wait, so did he place that spider on me?
And did he put soap in my eyes? And is he the guy that put that weird substance in my Oreo?
Yes, that's all true. So, what do you say we give him a taste of his own medicine?
There's no hit me sign this time, but I'm down.
I mean, would feel pretty good to hit him again and beat him up some more.
I mean, I'm just gonna join you guys. Like, I'm a conformer, you know? Yeah, sure. Okay, let's beat him up! Yeah, let's do it! Yeah! Huh? Guys, it's April Fool's Day! Yeah, man, I mean, that was pretty cool. Good. That was dope. We can all
Yeah.
Next year, it's gonna be fine.
No.
Man. I mean,
Cool.
solid, bro.
I liked it.
Yeah, good prank, Sonic. Good prank. I don't know what you like put in my Oreo. That was like really nasty. Yeah, see, we're all good now.
Well, thanks for the pranks, Sonic. But, what do you guys think about going to the arcade?
I think it'd be fun, bro.
And then go fishing with Big afterwards?
Yeah! See, Tails? They handled the prank like men! And how did you handle it? Like a young boy! A lad!
Okay, I get it, Sonic. I need to be better about pranks. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
can we just shake on it? You know, you just pull my.
Pull. Okay, yeah, sure.
April Fools.